guys, welcome back to this video. And today's video, as you can see by the title, slime. We guess we'll be making some slime. In order to make some slime, you need something to mix in. I already tried this recipe to make sure it works, because I don't want to make a YouTube video and this recipe not working. So you need a container, anything to mix in, and anything to mix with. And you need some glue. And let me give you one thing. So I'll be back, guys. I'm just going to get something. I'm going to be using some of this. So I'm going to be using the detergent Gregory. So glue in this. And last thing you will need is some Lens solution. So let's just get started. So first thing, oh, I forgot to get my detergent. I put this Gregory up in here, and y'all know what it look like, green. And so first thing you need is your big old thing of glue. You don't have to have a big thing of glue. And I got this. That's enough. So however much glue you pour, that's how much slime you get. So I got this much glue, so that's how much slime I will get. So yep. The next thing you need is some of your, I don't want food coloring, guys. So you need some of this. It's going to be a little bit green. Yeah. Yep, so you just need that. Yep, see that? I got it up in there. And so what I'm just going to do now is start mixing it. And guys, this actually do work. And it start getting a little bit clumpy. Just keep mixing. I'm just going to let this sit there for a little bit. What the heck? Oh, I'm already getting my outfit dirty, and I got on black socks. I'm all black today, and my hair is different. I got it done yesterday. So yeah, guys. So and it started to get clumpy, and you need your lid solution. Ugh. Okay, just pour the amount. Well, you'll need an amount. Then you just start mix. And it's so clumpy right now. So just keep mixing until you get your zone. And I'm gonna pour some more. So guys, just keep, and it's clumpy. Sorry for my mom and dad talking in the background, but that's okay. I already told them I was going to do a YouTube video. I don't have to tell them. So next what you need to do is just find something to clearly dump it on. And I have this chair here. And what you're going to do is just, it don't have to be a chair. It could be anything you have to dump it on.